today in this video we're gonna go with the fermentation as from the we can say 2-pyruvate which was basically the end product of glycolysis. So from this 2-pyruvates, if oxygen is available, this will further go into we can say further go into link reaction, then Krebs cycle. Okay, but if we can say oxygen is not available, so it will further go in fermentation. So today we're going to talk about the fermentation. Okay, so first of all, basically fermentation has the two types. One is lactic fermentation, another is alcoholic fermentation. Okay, so both the what will happen actually, the process will be NADH plus H will convert it into NADP plus for further reactions because oxygen is not available. Okay, so now let's discuss about the fermentation first. Fermentation. Fine. So here the fermentation basically means when the pyruvic acid is converted into fermentation with the help oxygen is absent. Okay, this is an anaerobic process and the we can say place where it occurs basically in cytoplasm and in this what is oxygen is absent and NADH will convert it to NADP plus same. Okay, what O2 is absent. Okay, so that's why this is also known as anaerobic process. So now let's see with the lactic acid fermentation and alcoholic. So first we are moving with the lactic acid fermentation. So what is the lactic acid fermentation? Basically, this this is an anaerobic respiration, means absence of oxygen, occur in different type of bacteria in our muscle cells, or we can say occur in lactobacillus. Lactobacillus, different type of bacteria on the muscle cells. How muscle cells? Because sometimes in the muscles the oxygen is not we can say present as much it is required, so the lactic acid takes place. Fine. After that, this occur in basically in the cytoplasm. Now see, let's talk about the main function of this. So in this basically we can say first of all we have 2-pyruvates, right? So these 2-pyruvates, the formula of pyruvate is C3H4O3. So with the help of what? With the help of NADH plus H plus, it will convert it into basically two molecules of C3H6O3 plus 2NAD plus. Now what is this? This 3H6O3 is what? This is basically, as we can say, lactic aldehyde, and this take place how? This basically take place by we can say lactate dehydrogenase. Lactate dehydrogenase. Fine. So now we are talking about the products. So the main products which we gain in the lactic acid, those are we can say one is 2,3H compound, another is NAD plus, two molecules of NAD plus. And here remember this, here no decarboxylation will take place. no decarboxylation. Fine. So now we are going with the, we can say, alcoholic fermentation. Okay. So in this, basically in the alcoholic fermentation, what will happen? So in the alcoholic fermentation, it is basically used in yeast. Used in yeast, and this is also an anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. But this occur in cytoplasm. Occur in cytoplasm. So what happened here? Let me tell you. Okay, let me make here. Fine. What will happen here? And 2, 3, 3, 4, O3. This will basically convert it into what? This will convert it into 2 acid aldehyde, which is 2C2H4O. Now this, we can say, now this 2 acid aldehyde will react with NADH plus H and form what? It will form basically 2 ethanol. 2 ethanol is formed and 2 NADH is released. And here what? Here decarboxylation will take place here. Decarboxylation will take place here, and here the enzyme is used, which is known as pyruvate decarboxylase. Pyruvate decarboxylase. Fine. So here we got the ethanol. So now let's talk about the products what we get. So basically the products which we got, that is 1 ethanol plus 2 NADH, NAD plus, and what, and plus 2 molecules of CO2. Why 2? Because here we have 2 molecules of pyruvate, so this means we will get 2 H2O and 2 NADH. I hope this is clear to you guys. So in the next video we're gonna discuss further more about